Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve USB problem on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, you just click on the search bar and search for the USB. Just search on it. Here is this USB tethering. So it's enable, okay, I mean disable, you can't click on it, right? So this is the your problem. If you want to activate this USB tethering but you can't, just click on the back button and again back button. Here you have to move on the about phone. Okay, on the down you're going to find the about phone. Just click on the about phone. After you have been moved on about phone, here just click on the dashboard and canals, and then only just move on this bulb number. Just click on this bulb number 6 7 8 times. Okay, just top. See, one step, you are now in developer mode. You have to tap fast until unless you are in the developer mode. Okay, so here now developer mode option has been activated. After it has been activated, just click on search option again, and right now you just search the USB debugging or USB tethering. Okay, you can search the USB tethering and the USB debugging. So here the USB debugging has activated. If you want to activate it, you can turn on this USB debugging and click on OK. Here right now USB debugging has been activated, and if you want to activate this USB tethering, it should be activated when USB will be connected. Okay, if it doesn't connected, then it will not be activated. Okay, and if you want to activate the USB debugging, you can activate it like this. Okay, and if you want to off, you just off it. See, if you want to activate the USB debugging, there is many USB debugging: wireless debugging, revoke USB debugging. There's many. Okay, which one you want to activate, you can activate it like that. Select debug app. You see, when you turn on the developer option mode, no, there will be many options for you in the settings. Which one you don't know, which one anyone doesn't know about it. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.